Hey guys, Freddie here. Haven't done a video in a while, but I thought this one would be pretty cool to do. What do we have here? It is a Pelham Blue Firebird, and it's got the ubiquitous headstock, Gibson headstock brake. Oh, what a shame. Anyway, so we're going to repair this. I've got some hot hide glue just starting to cook, and the tricky part is matching the color. This is, like I say, Pelham Blue, but you know, there's a lot of different shades of Pelham Blue, and especially depending on how the top coat ages. So here's some really great news for Canadian builders, or even anywhere. The good people at Oxford Guitar Supply sent me some Pelham Blue Nitro lacquer, but they've got two different shades of Pelham Blue. This is the new Pelham Blue and faded Pelham Blue. So that's great. I'm going to try and match this color as closely as I can. Maybe I'll have to mix a little bit of these two colors together. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, Oxford Guitar Supply. You know, it's been really hard for Canadian builders, repair guys, to get nitro in Canada. You know, if you're lucky enough to live on the border, like I do here in Niagara, I could order stuff from the States and go over to Niagara Falls, New York, or Buffalo, New York, and pick it up at a mailbox there and bring it. But they won't ship it. They won't ship it into Canada. So yes, Oxford, thank you, thank you. They've got a lot of great colors. Check them out. Now that I've got the hardware off the headstock, the first thing to really do is to see how well this brake mates. So if I try and close it up, it's not mating well at all, and that's typical. What's happening is there are fibers of wood inside the brake that are loose, that have come apart, and when you try to put it back together, they're not meshing. So they could be crossing each other, or the ends of fibers are jamming into each other. So what I've got to do is open this up and look inside and find those wood fibers that are not meshing and sort of trim them out. So that's what I'm going to do. I've got a little carving knife here, and here we go. Okay, I think I've got the fibers, the loose fibers out, and let's give it a try. Just got a couple of scrap pieces of hardwood here. I'm going to use as clamping cauls. Let's see if this comes together. Yeah, that's quite good. So I'm seeing a very smooth transition here, no real ridge. Same here. I think we're ready for gluing. Time for some hot hide glue. Hide glue is ready to go. This is hard to do all by myself, so I've got my dad here holding the guitar. He's holding it upright so that gravity will pull the glue down into it, but I'm also going to heat the area up and let me know if it burns your hand. On gentle heat. I'm not I think that's not bad. All right, let's get some glue in there. All right, now I'm going to open this up a bit.
Oh, you got it.
Lots of glue. All right.
Plenty.
Let's clamp it up. Put it down. Yeah. Now, I'm going to just clear off this excess quickly. And I took my clamping cauls and I wrapped them in wax paper. Here we go. Clamp her down here.
I'm gonna put two clamps.
No, just one clamp. Give it a good amount of pressure. There goes the squeeze out. And that's it. That's all she wrote. I'm going to clean this up and let her dry overnight. Got it sanded smooth, but we've broken through to a sealer coat layer, so now we're going to try the Oxford lacquer. That's really nice. I mean, this paint looks better than the original, actually, but I think that's as close as we're going to be able to get for matching. So, all in all, the repair went well, and I'm happy to report that the paint is a nice match. And as far as the quality of the paint itself, it was it worked beautifully, like a good lacquer, like a good nitro lacquer should. I used Mohawk clear coat because I have it to put the top clear coats over top, and the compatibility was not a problem at all. So yeah, we're now lucky in Canada to have Oxford. Thank you, Oxford. And not just Canada. The stuff is good. Buy it wherever you are.